Introducing the realme T200x, a budget-friendly TWS with impressive features. The earbuds come in a compact, stylish case with a lightweight design. With Bluetooth 5.4 and instant pairing, connection is seamless and stable. The 13.4mm drivers deliver balanced sound with deep bass and clear vocals, perfect for music lovers. AIENC reduces background noise during calls, and the 45 milliseconds low latency mode is great for casual gaming. Battery life is excellent, up to 38 hours total playback with the case, and 7 hours on a single charge. Plus, fast charging gives you 7 hours of play in just 10 minutes. With IP55 dust and water resistance, they're perfect for workouts too. At just 1,699 Indian rupees, realme T200x is a solid choice for budget-conscious users who want style, sound, and performance in one package. Introducing the OnePlus Buds 2 are stylish, powerful, and truly wireless earbuds designed for users who want rich sound and reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. These earbuds come with a sleek matte finish case, available in cool colors like deep gray and misty white, with a compact design that fits easily in your pocket. Each bud is lightweight, just around 4 grams, ensuring a comfortable fit even during long usage. In terms of sound quality, the OnePlus Buds 2 features 12.4mm titanium-coated dynamic drivers. The bass is deep and punchy, mids are clean, and treble is crisp, offering an immersive audio experience whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or on calls. It supports Dolby Atmos on compatible OnePlus devices, which enhances the overall surround sound effect, a great bonus for OnePlus smartphone users. These buds also come with dual microphones and AI noise reduction for calls, making voice clarity much better even in noisy environments. Although the Buds 2 do not support active noise cancellation (ANC), the passive noise isolation is decent, especially for this price range. You'll also get Bluetooth 5.3 for stable and energy-efficient connectivity, with fast pairing and low latency, ideal for mobile gaming or watching content.